You open your case, take it out, switch it on, scan, switch it off, and pack it away, and then you're done. We offer everything from orthotics to prosthetics in terms of patient care. Originally, orthopedics started by making everything in plaster, meaning the impression was taken using a plaster technique, which of course always requires a certain amount of preparation time. There is also a certain amount of mess involved, and this entire part disappears when you switch to a digital approach. We chose the Medixa because we wanted a cordless solution. We didn't want to constantly set up a laptop, connect the scanner with cables, and then need 2 power outlets just to be able to scan somehow. The Medixa has essentially eliminated all of these issues. The transition from physical to digital is of course a bit of a challenge because you're used to having something in your hands to work with, like plaster for example. In the digital world, you're essentially working in the air. You practically have nothing in your hands. If something goes wrong in the workshop and you don't have a file, the customer has to come back again. So it definitely requires a certain adjustment. The technology has to work in a way that ensures you have a scan available in the workshop that you can continue working with.
Just like it's done today in the scanning field, we work completely without cables. The architecture of the hand is designed so that it no longer follows the old principles. Instead, we now have a cordless solution. With the new rugged hand, the difference compared to the old system, the Hero Arm, is that we now have a separate socket that we produce after the scan has been sent to us. The process works like this. The hand is simply integrated and attached. Then I have the option to set extension and flexion using the first stage, and with the locking mechanism I can determine in which position the hand should remain. This gives me a super lightweight system that is completely waterproof from start to finish.
The patients are initially surprised at how well the whole process works, and also that we no longer need to use casts. Many people receive orthoses and follow-up care. They know that when they come to us, they get dirty, put on old socks, etc. If you then say, "Today we'll just scan, is that okay with you?" they usually first respond, "Oh, I don't know." And then you're finished much faster, there's no mess. The savings are obviously significant. We've now actually established the Medixa in every department. That means we can scan large legs, arms, hands, or even heads. Scanning the torso, in particular, is very comfortable. We've also integrated it into shoe technology, where we use the FootStation. While scanning the lower leg or foot for an orthopedic custom shoe, we can simultaneously scan the sole of the foot under load. The software then automatically calculates the foot shape, giving us a cast impression created under load, essentially represented in the scan. We also use the scanner for digitizing models we want to keep. This means we no longer need a huge storage of cast impressions, save for potential future use if the patient needs further treatment. We can simply scan and digitize everything, and if needed, print the model on a 3D printer and continue working from there. Looking back at our history, from the EinScan H2 to the Medixa, we've always aimed for the best value for money. Does the scanner provide what we need? And can we scan everything required? With shining scanners, this has always been the case. We've gotten the performance we needed at a good price, with very few compromises in functionality.